Hey everybody, just wanted to kind of let you know what's been going on. I have my Protos helmet here from Pfanner, and when I bought it, I had the Sena Smh10 actually installed, and it's given me a little bit of problem since I've owned it. One reason is that, as you can see, the wires hang out the back, and it's constantly getting caught and whatever on limbs and brush and stuff like that, and that resulted in me trying to tuck it away as much as I could. But there's another issue you need to keep in mind with this helmet, and let me show you what that is. So as you can see here, this is my helmet, and you have, if you're not familiar with this system, you have your speaker wires. That's one speaker wire, see it comes over, and then it goes into the earmuff here. If you can see that, where is it at? It's under the strap there. See, it goes right into the earmuff there where it was installed. And that goes back over to, of course, here, and then you have another one there. And then in there, that little bitty wire that has an ugly splice on it, which by the way did not work, goes up in there. And then that comes around and mounts here, and then that's my microphone. So the issue that I've been having with this has been that this little microphone wire here, when this is open, tends to get caught. Sorry, I'm holding this into it. Tends to get caught like that, and then when you close the self-latching, a lot of times it's like that, and it gets pressed, and eventually it had actually snapped. I tried to splice it back together, did not work. So just keep that in mind. It was kind of hanging like that. I mean, without it being stripped, because I stripped it to try to splice it. But yeah, so that's what happened. It got under here a number of times, and because this is a pressure ratchet system, it would just get pressed, and then it eventually just broke. And then one day I got a phone call and I could hear them and they couldn't hear me. So I had a conversation with, oh, that's my hand in my face. I had a conversation with Poplar Mechanic. You should go check out his YouTube channel. He's a good tree service guy as well, and he's been giving me lots of help. And what he showed me was that I could get just the base unit for that on Amazon, and I'm looking it up right now, and you could just replace that bracket, the mounting piece, which is pretty impressive. Here it is. So there it is. You can just get the bracket piece there. It's only $32.30, plus it comes with 2 microphones, which is pretty good, and you can put it on the back and route it the way that you want it. Now, I don't want to dog the company that I bought the helmet from. One of the tree service companies is who I bought it from, and they're a good company, but they really didn't pay as much attention to installing it in a good way. That wire, no matter how I tried to adjust it, it was always under that clip. And I mean, so it seems fairly easy to say, well, why didn't you just like check to make sure it wasn't there before you clipped it? But let's think about it. I take my helmet off and put it on, 4, 5, 6 times a day. And I'm up in a tree, I'm in a bucket, I'm whatever, on the ground, I'm trying to get work done. And you're not really, like, even though you try, you don't always feel it back there, first off. And second off, I have gloves on a lot, so it's hard to tell if you actually got the wire around, even though I tried to flip it up over that. So my suggestion to you is go ahead and buy the system and the helmet from these companies maybe, but put it in yourself. I should have done a little bit more research online. It wouldn't have been that difficult to install it. I just didn't know, and I was a little overwhelmed with everything with tree service going on. So I just went ahead and said, yeah, I'll pay the extra money and you guys install it. But in the end, it's cost me more money. Not only has it cost me the $32.30 to get the new bracket piece, but it also cost me $48 to call Poplar Mechanic in Canada because I'm an idiot and didn't think about it. We had a nice conversation. I learned a lot from him. So glad that he was willing to answer my call and help me out. But yeah, FYI, 7-digit numbers in Canada don't mean they're included in your regular calling plan in the US, if you didn't know. I can't believe I did that. My wife asked me, where was he at? And I said Canada, and she's like, that's an extra charge. And she's right. Verizon charges 49 cents a minute extra. So keep that in mind. Still worth the call. But yeah, I think that next time we'll use WhatsApp or Skype or something. So if you have an issue, reroute it if you can. If you can't reroute it, go to Amazon, get the other system, and you can get what you need and make it work better for you. And it'll be a better option altogether. Now, one other thing I would like to show you is that with, let's see here, SMH, when you do a search for this, there is another one that you can opt to get, it looks like, that may be another option for you. Hold on, let me see. So there's also one that's a bit more expensive, that one there. This one right here. And it will allow you to have the earphones, it looks like, disconnected in a separate plug with an extension. So if you find for some reason your helmet doesn't have, or the earphone speakers aren't long enough to keep it out of the way, then you might want to get that one. It is 20 bucks more or so, but might totally be worth what you're looking for, just FYI. So I don't know if that helps you guys out or not. I just thought that I would do this and see if it was something you guys could benefit from, and I hope it is. So thanks for watching the videos, thanks for stopping by, and I'll continue to try to keep you guys updated as stuff goes on. So take care and have a good day.